Hello everybody, this is your backend buddy Pratik Mota. So today I will explain you about slice of function. So many times we have seen slice of integer, slice of string. So today I will explain you how we can create slice of functions. So we can call bunch of function in the for loop. So for creating that program, first we have to declare our package main and import of the fmt. So now we will create func main. Okay, and there is a first function, let's say backend buddy 1 is there, and it's just printing fmt.println backend buddy 1. So similar to that, we have multiple extra function like backend buddy 2 and the backend buddy 3 is there. Okay, so now we want to collect all this function into the single slice. So for that I will create func, and here the slice of function. Okay, so slice of func and bracket. So if you want to create slice of int, then you have to create slice of int, but here all this type is a function, so we have to create slice of func, and we have to write name of functions here. So backend buddy 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we have written this 3 functions name here. So this collectively created the slice of func. Now if we want to call it, then we have to just run the for loop f and range of funcs. So here functions is a slice of func, and which will run into the for loop, and then we can directly call, like whatever value we are getting here, we can directly call that function. Okay, so in the for loop, this is, if you aware, then this is index and this is value second. So f is a value which will get function address of this backend buddy 1, 2 and 3. So one by one it will call like backend buddy 1, 2 and 3. So if we take a look at the output, then if you see here, if we run run main.go, then it will print backend buddy 1, 2 and 3. So this is just a simple concept to create slice of function. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you like more videos of Golang or want to learn more topics, please write in the comment. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.